Have you ever wondered about the very first moments of life? Not just birth, but the incredible microscopic journey that happens long before. Today, we're going on an extraordinary adventure deep inside the human body to witness the beginning of life, from a single cell to the dawn of a new individual. It's a story of chance, timing, and breathtaking biological engineering. Let's start our journey inside the ovary. Think of it as a treasure chest holding thousands of potential lives. Each month, in a process called ovulation, one of these treasures, a mature egg or ovum, is released. It's a tiny sphere, barely visible to the naked eye, yet it carries half of the genetic blueprint for a new human being. Once released, it embarks on a slow, gentle journey down the fallopian tube, a passage that connects the ovary to the uterus. But it's not just floating along, it's waiting. It has a very short window, only about 12 to 24 hours, to meet its counterpart. Now, let's switch our perspective to the sperm. After intercourse, hundreds of millions of sperm begin an epic and perilous quest. Their destination, that single waiting egg. This is a race against incredible odds. They face a long and arduous journey navigating the female reproductive tract, which is a challenging environment for them. Many will be lost along the way. Only the strongest, fastest, and most resilient will even get close to the prize. It's like a biological marathon where only a few hundred out of millions make it to the final stretch. This is where the magic truly happens. As the surviving sperm reach the egg, they surround it, all trying to be the one to break through its protective outer layer. It's a final, frantic push. But only one can succeed. As soon as one sperm penetrates the egg's membrane, a remarkable thing occurs. The egg's surface instantly changes, creating a barrier that prevents any other sperm from entering. It's a biological lock-and-key mechanism, ensuring that only one sperm fertilizes the egg. At this precise moment of fertilization, the two halves of the genetic code, one from the egg and one from the sperm, merge. A brand new, unique genetic blueprint is created. This single, newly formed cell is called a zygote. It contains all the necessary instructions: the color of the eyes, the height, the shape of the nose for an entire human being. It's the very first cell of a new life, a tiny spark containing immense potential. But the journey is far from over. Almost immediately, this single cell begins to divide. One cell becomes two, two become four, four become eight, and so on, doubling in number with each division. This rapidly growing ball of cells, now called a blastocyst, continues its journey down the fallopian tube toward the uterus. This trip takes several days, and all the while, the cells are dividing and starting to specialize, a process that will eventually form different parts of the body. About a week after fertilization, the blastocyst arrives in the uterus. Its next crucial task is to implant itself into the uterine wall, the endometrium, which has been preparing for its arrival by becoming thick and rich with blood vessels. Implantation is a critical step. The blastocyst nestles into this nourishing lining, establishing a connection with the mother's blood supply. This connection will become the placenta, the lifeline that will provide oxygen and nutrients to the growing embryo for the next 9 months. From this moment on, an incredible cascade of development unfolds. The cells continue to multiply and organize, forming the fundamental structures of the human body. The heart begins to beat, the nervous system starts to form, and tiny limb buds appear. From a single fertilized egg, a complex living being begins to take shape, embarking on the miraculous journey of growth in the womb. This intricate and beautiful process, from a race of millions to the fusion of 2 cells and the beginning of a new life, is one of nature's most stunning masterpieces. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey into the beginning of life. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of science and the human body. See you in the next video.